Power tools use many bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the handle assembly. Now remove the motor cap. And next, the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the motor housing and the lower handle. With the screws removed, now I can separate the motor housing from the blade housing. Now I can remove the armature. At this point, it's simply held in place with an O-ring, so I can wiggle it side to side and work it free. Now I can remove the bearing. The bearing sits slightly recessed inside the cooling fan. This makes it a little more difficult to remove. I'll be using a flush-end bearing puller. I place the puller over the bearing and slide the jaws underneath. Then I'll tighten the puller up. Now I can remove the bearing. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place it over the armature shaft, and I'll use a socket that has a diameter about the same as the inner race. Place the socket on the race, and then tap the bearing into place. Now I can reinstall the armature. Now I'll reinstall the motor housing onto the armature. And secure it with the screws. And I'll resecure the lower handle. I'll make sure that all the wires are out of the way, and then install the upper half of the handle assembly. Now reinstall the brushes, and I'll finish up by installing the motor cap. And now you know how to replace a bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.